Hello. This vacuum unit will operate in an ATEX Zone 2 hazardous environment. The unit has a performance of up to 2,270 cubic feet per minute or up to 800 millibar. We designed it, we built it and we tested it here in Worcester, where we have been based since the 1980s. The vacuum pump is connected via a cyclone separator to a collection tank which operates under partial vacuum. The cyclone separator and the collection tank separate solids and liquids from the airstream to prevent damage to the vacuum blower. A liquid level switch will automatically shut the system down when the collection tank reaches a predetermined level, and this will be displayed on the control panel. The tank drains through this valve into the mud tray below, which pulls out for easy access. The tank also has an opening lid to aid easy removal of solids and thorough cleaning. The system is protected by a vacuum relief valve. The engine process speed is controlled by a mechanical governor set at 2,100 RPM. This maintains engine speed irrespective of vacuum process variations. Direct drive through a flexible coupling means there are no gearbox, belts or side loads. Other standard features include an engine overspeed valve, engine exhaust gas cooling system and a spark arrestor. An oil dosing system is included to allow lubrication and protection of the pump impellers prior to any long-term storage. The DNV certified container will be lifted using a 5-leg lifting set. It is protected by a high-grade 2-pack marine epoxy coating system. There is external access to the control panel and round here to the fuel fill and the services manifold. This unit has optional NORSOK compliance. Features of our NORSOK unit include fire suppression and gas monitoring systems with a sounder and beacon for audio and visual warnings, extensive noise attenuation, labelling in Norwegian and English, and 35-metre signal cable allowing connection from the container to the central control room. Another option included with this unit is internal hazardous area lighting. Search online for Colder Vacuum.